How to turn off calls on Facebook Messenger app. So there's two ways to do this. So the first way is to go into Messenger and pick a conversation that you want to specifically turn off the calls for. So go to Messenger and go ahead and pick a conversation. You want to click on the name at the very top here and then scroll down to where it says notifications and sounds. So from here, you just want to simply you can mute notifications, but you can just do the calls as well. Just mute your calls. That way you could still get notifications for messages, but you won't get calls anymore. Another way to do this is to come out of the Messenger app and go to your settings. Scroll down to where you see the apps. And I'm just going to type in Messenger, but you can always go ahead and scroll down and find it. So go to your Messenger area here and go to notifications, and you can turn off the notifications. That will disable all the notifications for your Messenger app. But if you don't want to do that, you can also come out of here and then turn off access to your microphone and camera. That way Messenger physically does not have access to those things, and that way a call will not go through. So there's two ways to do it. It's very simple, very easy to do, and it's easy to go back and turn those features on as well. And that's how you would go about turning off calls on your Facebook Messenger app.